So today topic is Wheatstone bridge principle. Here we will do experiment with a device which is called meter bridge. Now in this device, in this experiment, we will find unknown resistance of wire using meter bridge by using the principle of Wheatstone bridge. Now this principle says that if you have four resistance P, Q, R and S arranged in this manner, then if the ratio of P by Q becomes equal to R by S, that is, if the ratio of this resistance divided by this resistance becomes equal to the ratio of R by S, then current in this wire becomes zero. So how will you calculate that current becomes zero? We just join a galvanometer in this wire and its reading will become zero. If this resistance P by Q becomes equal to R by S, then reading of galvanometer becomes zero. Now P by Q, it is given to you, and let us suppose one of the resistance of unknown wire is there. Now you can find from this apparatus. Let us suppose you want to calculate resistance of this wire. Now here in this apparatus you have a meter bridge. This is a battery. With battery you can have any voltage depending upon your requirement. Let us suppose we have set this battery at 4 volt. Positive terminal is attached to one end, while negative terminal is attached to other end of meter bridge. This wire, it is of 100 centimeter. Now this is resistance box. If you want any value of resistance, we just simply pluck off that key and you will get that desired value of resistance. Let us suppose I pluck off 5 from resistance box, so this becomes now 5 ohm. So this is connected here. The two terminals of resistance box are connected here. I take this resistance box as P. This is a resistance box. Resistance box. Let us suppose I taken out 5 ohm resistance from this. Q is unknown. Yani we want to find the value of this unknown resistance, this wire. Now here P by Q becomes equal to R by S. Now what is R and what is S? Again we come to meter bridge. This is a wire and this device is called jockey. Already we have discussed this. Now when we move this jockey on the wire, when we slide this jockey on the wire, then at particular instant, at particular value of length, the value of galvanometer will become 0. At that value, P by Q becomes equal to R by S. This length is taken as R and this length is taken as S. This is R and this is S. Let us suppose this value is L1. So what is this? It is 100 minus L1. So I take this value R as rho L1 by A and this as rho L2 by A. Rho by A will cancel. You will get P by Q is equal to L1 by L2. What is L2? 100 minus L1. So this is unknown. You want to find this value. So what will Q become? So Q will become 100 minus L1. This will get multiplied on this side divided by L1 into P. For example, if galvanometer balances at L1 is equal to 20 centimeter. So what will be the value of L2?
80 centimeter.
It is 100 minus 20. It will become 80 centimeter. I have taken out the resistance of 5 ohm. So if you put in the equation, so you will get Q is equal to 100 minus L, it is 80 divided by L1, 20 into resistance taken from the resistance box, 5. When you will cancel, it will become 20 ohm. So you will get different value of resistance if you take out, if you have different wires. So in this experiment, teacher will provide you any wire and you have to find the resistance of this wire. Again, coming to the apparatus, so this is called, again this is called P, this is called Q, this length is called R, which is L1, this is called S, which is L2. When P by Q becomes equal to R by S, by placing the jockey, when it becomes equal, volumetric reading becomes 0. So when reading becomes 0, then bridge is called balanced bridge. It is called balanced. Bridge is balanced. The ratio of this divided by this is equal to this by this. It is equal, and then you can find the value of this unknown resistance. Any question? Okay, thank you.